সম্মেলনে তৃতীয় বিশ্বের সংগ্রামী কণ্ঠ জিয়া বলিষ্ঠভাবে বলেন,
To the Non-Proliferation Treaty was based on our firm conviction that there can be peace only through the elimination of all nuclear weapons. Moves towards the limitation of nuclear armaments and other weapons of mass destruction are important steps in creating an atmosphere of trust and the relaxation of tension.
নিরাপত্তা পরিষদে জাপানকে হারিয়ে বাংলাদেশ লাভ করে আসন। জাতিসংঘে এক স্মরণীয় বক্তৃতায় তিনি বলেন,
Special efforts must be made to develop the resources of such countries so as to reduce their vulnerability to external pressure and manipulation. Above all, it is essential that such countries should be allowed to build their own future without outside interference.